Hello students, we'll solve problem from projectile motion. For better understanding of this problem, you can refer two video lectures of theory of projectile motion, that is in part 1 and part 2. Now in this problem what is given, a projectile is projected from position A. A is where, see, on inclined plane, point is at topmost location. From position A on an inclined as shown in figure with a velocity of 50 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. That means what is given is u0 and theta 0. The initial velocity of projection means u0. This is equal to how much? 50 meter per second. And inclination of this velocity with horizontal at a theta 0 is given as 30 degree. Then inclined is making an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. Inclination of plane is given. Okay. Find when and where it strikes the incline again. Now when means what you have to find out? Time t. Where means location of point B. That means you can say coordinates of point B you have to find out, means xy. Okay. Originally xy if you find out, you will get coordinates of this point B. That means t you have to find out, then horizontal distance x and vertical distance y. Okay. Now what data is given, from that and if you try solution of problem, what we are having, one equation along x-axis, that is x equal to u0x into t, and along y-axis 3 equations of motion. So if you try these equations, number of unknowns are more. That means x is unknown, y is unknown, t is unknown. Therefore, it becomes difficult. Now, from equation of path, it is in terms of x, y, u0 and theta 0, out of which xy unknown, u0 and theta 0 is known. That means there are two unknown terms, x and y. Now, if you see carefully figure, so in figure, what you know is inclination of plane. That means from A to B, what length will get, or that inclined range will get r, that one you can divide in two parts from inclination. Relation between x and y is possible. Now what we'll do here, see, if we'll find out, I will construct first one here a triangle so that you'll understand properly. See here, from A, I'll draw a vertical line. Okay, from A, initial point of projection, and from B we'll draw a horizontal line. That means what I constructed here, a triangle. That means now position of point B, if I'll represent with respect to point A, so what is known is horizontal distance is nothing but what is to represent it by x, right? This is horizontal distance. That means here this dimension is x. Okay. And from point A, this vertical dimension if we represent, so this is called as y. So this distance dimension is y. Now there is any chance of getting relation between x and y? Simple, angle 30 is given. This one is y opposite, x is what? Adjacent. That means if I write here, tan of this angle 30, tan of 30 degrees is what? Opposite upon adjacent. That means you can say y is what? Tan 30x. Okay. This is the relation between x and y. Now equation of path is in terms of x, y, u0 and theta 0. But there are two unknowns, x and y unknown. But you know relation between x and y. That means you can put y in terms of x as a tan 30x, so that our equation becomes only in terms of one unknown. Solution is easily possible. Now here if I write equation of path, that is y equal to tan theta 0x minus gx square upon 2u0 square cos square theta 0. Now if we'll substitute your values, right, y will substitute, y you know tan 30, Now here you have to concentrate. When you substitute y as tan 30x, this is positive or negative is very important. For y, when you will substitute y value in any problem, when you substitute, you have to concentrate on y is positive or negative. That is very important. When it is positive, if final position is above initial position, y is positive. If final position is below initial position, y is negative. In this case, point B is below point A. That means you have to substitute this tan 30x with this y value with negative sign. Equal to, now tan of theta 0 is what? 30 degree. X minus, this is 9.81 x square upon u0 is known, 2 into u0 is what? 50, it's a square, and what? Cos of 30 square. Now this tan 30x, if I take which is on RHS of equal sign tan 30x, I'll take on left hand side, so it become minus 2 times tan 30x equal to, now this value if we'll find out, 9.81 upon 2 into 50 square and into cos 30 square. So that we'll get coefficient of x square, right? This one using calculator we will find out. This value comes out to be 2.616 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now you can cancel one term here, right? If we'll cancel this term, so what we'll get here, this x term and here this square term will cancel, so that you will get direct value of x is possible. So you simply using calculator, first minus minus gets cancelled, and what will get here? Ax value. Now this x what we are getting, if we calculate, this one comes out to be 441.4 meter, and using say this one, if I'll write as equation 1, means substituting value of x in equation 1, what will get here? Y equal to tan 30 into x. Simply calculate it. What y value will get is what? 254.84 meters. Now if you want to write coordinates of point B, so that is 441.4 meter, and the next y that is below that point A, therefore we will write with minus sign, 254.84 meters. This one is location. What is asking problem? When and where. Now when means after what time it strikes B. This t if you want to find out, as you know x value, and equation of x is very simple, x equal to u0x into t. That means in this case, that x equation if we'll apply, unknown term is only t. X equal to u0x into t. X how much? Just substitute 441.4. u0x means u0 cos of theta 0. u0 is what? 50 cos of 30 degrees into time t. Using calculator, simply calculate this t. In one step you will get answer. This is how much? If you calculate, this comes out to be 10.19 second. Okay, that means if you know equations, means basic theory part of projectile, then solving any problem of projectile is not difficult, it's very easy. Therefore first theory part you have to concentrate. In that one there are 4 equations of motion and one is equation of path. The next important part is horizontal component of velocity always remains constant. Only these points if you concentrate, easily solution of any problem is possible. Thank you.